welcome to the Welsh team headquarters before the game against Iceland. We're here for the semi-final draw of this season's Welsh Cup competition. To make the draw, we have two internationals who are having a fantastic season with their respective clubs in the Championship at the moment. We have Andy King of Leicester City and Sam Vokes of Burnley. To make the draw, I'll hand you over to Andrew Howard, the head of competitions.
Thank you, Ian. And the all-important numbers for the semi-final draw. Number 1 are TNS, the 2012 winners. Number 2 are Bala Town, who've reached 3 semi-finals but yet to appear in a final. Number 3 are Aberystwyth Town. And number 4 are Holywell Town of the Welsh Alliance, who are a Tier 3 club and beat Porthmadog on Saturday to reach the semi-final. Andy's going to pull the first name out of the hat and Sam will pull out the second name.
Number 3.
That's Aberystwyth Town.
Number 4.
And they'll play Holywell Town.
Number 1.
Is TNS.
And number 2.
And they will play Bala Town. So just to recap, that's Aberystwyth Town against Holywell Town and TNS against Bala. And those ties to be played on Saturday or Sunday, the 5th or 6th of April.